In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a statement on PayPal. Whether you need it for personal record keeping, budgeting, or preparing for taxes, downloading your PayPal statement is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the PayPal website. This is your starting point to access your account and manage your transactions. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Login button at the top right corner. Click on it. This is where you input your credentials, so grab those details. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. It's essential to ensure that this information is correct to avoid any login issues. Once you're sure everything is accurate, click Login again. Now that you're in, look towards the top of your account dashboard where you'll see a series of options listed. You're going to click on Activity. This is your gateway to review all your transactions, but today we're heading to something more specific, your reports. In the Activity section, find Reports and go ahead and click on it. Here, PayPal provides a comprehensive view of all your financial activities in different report formats. It's a great resource if you're looking to dive deep into your financial records. Once you're in the Reports area, you'll see another option labeled All Reports. Click there. The All Reports section is where you can find a variety of reports that PayPal generates for you. After this, locate and select Payments. This step brings us closer to generating our statement. Now, within the Payments section, find the link that says Statements, Monthly and Custom. Click on it. This particular area allows you to tailor the statement to your specific needs, whether you need a detailed monthly report or a custom period that fits your preferences. Finally, you're at the Statement Request page. Here you can request a statement for the desired period by selecting the appropriate options, thus allowing you to review your entire transaction history or just a snippet of it. And that's it. It's really that simple to get your PayPal statement. Keep in mind that having regular access to your statements is a great habit for monitoring your finances closely and helps in keeping everything documented. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.